Hello there. BPL is a company which once had a reputation in the market. I would use that in the past tense given my share of experience. I would never go for BPL products again. Please stay with me for the next few minutes while I share my recent ordeal seeking service from the customer care center of BPL. I own a top-loading washing machine and this was bought in August 2016. It's a 7.2 kilogram fully automatic top-loading washing machine and this was purchased for around 15,000. All on a sudden, while operating the machine beeped with an error message showing E4 and the spin was not working. I tried multiple times thinking that the lid wasn't closed properly, but that did not fetch me any desirable result. Therefore, the next option for me was to reach out to BPL's customer care on their email ID vcare@bpl.in because the toll-free never ever gets picked up. The first mail from my end was sent to the customer care center on 15th of July 2021. BPL seems to have an issue properly addressing its customers by their names or by using a proper salutation even when the name is shared in the mail. Possibly the value of being respectful seems to have fled due to the pandemic situation. I got a response on the same day asking for my name, mobile number, address with PIN code, product name, purchase date, mode of purchase, issue. Oh, that's there again. I don't know why this was asked as it was already a part of my first mail to them. Most companies have ready-made templates like these. On the very same day, I responded to them giving all the required information and even more, as you see here in front of you. This was quite handy as I had the information copied from a mail sent to BPL the very previous year in 2020, fetching me no results at all but for a different issue. In response to my mail with invoice details and date of purchase, I even attached the invoice itself. Got another mail asking for the very same details. Oh my god! My address details were already hinted about in my first mail and did not make any sense for it to be asked over and over. This is indicative of a completely flawed internal customer data management system. I am left totally stunned to discern this kind of completely irresponsible response from BPL's customer care center. I responded again stating that I've already sent it. My goodness, and here comes another mail, again asking for the very same details, like how it was asked in the very first response mail that I received from BPL. And this is the third, I would say it went on. There are two more that I'm not copying here and saving your time. BPL's after-sales service is just a farce, I conclude, and it's too obvious from these kind of irresponsible mails sent to customers rather than looking proactively to solve the customer's issue. Happy to share my experience here. If this is what as an educated person faced, and I've already brought this to the attention of executives inside the organization to see if they at least would care. I wonder how it's going to be for the common layman. I would soon be updating you with the second version of this video. In the interim, if you plan to purchase any product from BPL, I want to think about the experience you would possibly go through if you ever had an issue. Sending the same email template again and again is what BPL's customer solution is all about. I would rather decide not to make a fool out of myself anymore. Personally, I would never ever buy BPL again nor would I recommend it to anybody out there. Thank you for watching.